Here on November 6, 2025, I'm sampling one of my first Gisarsky Rozovy pomegranates from the new orchard. So this is all from very young plants. That's why the aerials are much lighter than they would normally be, because the fruits are more exposed to the sun. So yeah, it's an excellent pomegranate with great balance of sweet and sugar and acidic flavors. A little bit tart, but it's more sweet. Very soft seeds and normally large aerials. Aerials here actually not as large as they would be later in the more mature plants. One thing I want to point out for this selection that Gisarsky Rozovy translates as pink into English, is not the same as Gisarsky Ali or any other Gisarskys. And I will put the pictures here to show that there are a number of different Gisarsky pomegranates coming from Garagala station in Turkmenistan, and this all described in Dr. Levin's pomegranate book.